come and make some homemade applesauce with me. So I had all these farm apples just hanging out, and I was like, why not make some applesauce? Yum. I used ground allspice, cinnamon, and clove to spice up my applesauce. The first thing I did was wash my apples, but then I was like, I'm peeling my apples, so why the heck do I need to wash them? So I think that was the only apple batch that I washed. You can also use bruised apples like this. I did, because these bruised apples, even though they're damaged, they're perfect to me. And then you chop up the apples like I did here, and then you're gonna put all of your apples into a pot, and then take that pot, put it on the oven, put some water in there to keep your apples from scorching, and then for about 20 minutes you cook the apples till they're soft, and then you take a masher and you mash them up to the consistency you like. And I don't know about you, I like chunky applesauce. I added all of my spices. Right here I almost lost the lid to the cloves. That would have been so bad, but clove, so stinking yummy. I love clove. 100% would recommend adding it to your applesauce. And then here's me posing with it. It was so yummy. The best part is all of these apple peels get to go to my chickies. They are so spoiled. I put some other greens on there. Like, I don't really eat greens, so they get my greens. Here comes the chickies. I think everybody's happy, including the chickies and myself. And I absolutely love this applesauce. Okay, babe.